In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gmail in Outlook. We'll walk through the process for both the new Outlook for Windows and the classic Outlook app. The steps are straightforward, and I'll call out a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. Let's start with the new Outlook for Windows. Open the new Outlook and look at the folder pane on the left. At the very bottom, you'll see an option to add account. Click that. When prompted, type your Gmail address exactly as it appears, then click Continue. Outlook will hand things off to your web browser so you can sign in securely with Google. In the browser window that opens, sign in to your Gmail account. If you are using two-step verification, complete that as you normally would. You'll then see a permissions screen from Google. Review what Outlook is requesting and click Allow to grant access. When the browser confirms success, return to Outlook and click Done when prompted. Your Gmail account will appear in the folder pane and Outlook will begin syncing your mail. The first sync can take a few minutes, especially if you have a lot of messages. You may notice Gmail labels showing up as folders, which is expected. Now, if you are using the classic Outlook app, the flow is just as simple. Open Outlook and click File in the top left corner to go to the Backstage view. Choose Add Account. Enter your full Gmail email address and click Connect. Outlook will again open a Google Sign-in window in your browser. Sign into your Gmail account there. Completing any verification steps you normally use. You'll see the familiar Google Permissions page, review, and click Allow so Outlook can access your mail. Head back to Outlook and click Done. Outlook will start syncing your Gmail right away. As before, give it a little time to bring everything down and you'll see your Gmail folders populate in the left pane. That's it. Thanks for watching.